In SpreadJS 19, we introduced a new real-time collaboration server. We've built a JavaScript collaboration framework for managing collaboration on the server and client. This collaboration framework can be used for any online collaboration, like text editing, drawing, and of course, spreadsheets. Let's look at some real-world collaboration examples. Here I have two browsers open, simulating two different users. I will log in as different users in each browser. As user 1, let's create a new text document. Now I log in as user 2 and open that same text document. If I type something as user 1, user 2 can see what I wrote. And if I type something as user 2, user 1 sees it too. This is real-time collaboration through a collaboration framework. The framework has a server in Node.js and a client in JavaScript. Now let's make a drawing as user 2 and open that same drawing as user 1. If I draw something as user 2, then user 1 sees it in real time. And if I draw something as user 1, user 2 sees it as well. As you can see, there are many applications for the collaboration framework. Now for the good stuff. We have leveraged this framework to make the SpreadJS collaboration add-on. This add-on brings real-time collaboration to spreadsheets, similar to Excel for the web and Google Sheets. Let's open up a financial spreadsheet as each user. This spreadsheet has a dashboard sheet as well as some other sheets that hold templates and more data. The data from the other sheets is used in the dashboard sheet. While the user 1 is looking at the dashboard, let's edit some source data as user 2. We can navigate to the data source sheet as user 2. Let's change some revenue numbers. First, I will increase the target revenue cell. Notice how user 1 sees the data update in the dashboard sheet. Now let's change a few monthly revenue values as user 2 and watch as user 1's dashboard adapts to those changes. Okay, now let's open up the same data source sheet as user 1. This way both users are open in a single sheet. Notice how the users can see each other's presence in the sheet. They can see each other navigate and modify the cells in the same spreadsheet. This is real-time collaboration with the new SpreadJS collaboration add-on. Available today in SpreadJS 19. Download a free trial of SpreadJS today at developer.meshius.com/spreadjs.